Hey everyone, I'm back again with another teardown. This time I'll be tearing down the Earfun Uboom X, which was sent to me by the company themselves. A big thanks to Earfun for this opportunity to open up the product and show everyone what's inside. Now let's get started. The first step in this teardown is to very gently pry off the passive radiator caps on both sides of the speaker. Here we have the two caps. The primary goals of this cap is to protect the passive radiators. Next, we'll remove the top portion of the handle by taking out two screws from each side. Once that's done, the top part of the handle can be pried off. As you can see, the handle featured the Earfun logo on top, along with two aluminum hooks on each side for attaching the shoulder strap. To remove the remaining bottom portion of the handle, we'll need to take out 3 screws from each side. Here we have the bottom half of the handle. It features some dots designed on the underside that help provide grip when carrying the speaker. Next, we'll remove the front grille by taking out 2 screws from each side of the grille. Here we have the grille. It's made of durable steel, and I appreciate that it's actually screwed onto the speaker rather than just being pressed on or glued in like many other speakers. Next, we're going to remove over more than 20 screws from the passive radiator, the back panel, and the bottom rubber feet. Here with the back panel, it's made of hard plastic and features some diagonal lines for both aesthetic and grip. Additionally, it has an attached rubber tab to help to protect the connection ports. Here we have the passive radiator, featuring a sleek inner honeycomb structural design that provides strength and rigidity to the speaker without adding much weight. This design also helps manage airflow and dampen unwanted resonance and vibration. Next, we'll remove the front light by taking off 2 screws and disconnecting the light cable. This piece has a circuit board with 2 LED lights that provide you with a vibrant light effect on both of the front woofer. With this piece off, we can take off the woofer by taking off 4 screws each. And here with the woofer. These are 4-inch 30 watts woofer that are designed to deliver powerful and immersive bass to enhance overall audio experience. They work together with the tweeters to provide a balanced sound with deep low, clear mids, and crisp high. This makes the Uboom X an excellent choice for both indoor and outdoor listening. Next, we have the tweeter. After attempting to take them off, it turns out that they are permanently glued onto the enclosure, so I'm going to leave them alone. However, these tweeter measures 20mm and are rated at 10 watts each, and are designed to deliver crisp and high frequency sound for balanced audio experience. To remove the battery, we'll start by disconnecting a few connections. The battery is protected in a separate enclosure that can be opened by removing 8 screws. Here we have the battery. It's a substantial 7.4 volt 8400 mAh battery with a charge time of less than 6 hours and a playtime of up to 30 hours. I've never needed to use it more than a couple hours at a time, but with up to 30 hours of playtime, it's more than enough for any extended use without requiring a recharge. Next, we will go back toward the back of the speaker and remove a total of 10 screws to remove the main board from the enclosure. To remove the motherboard, we'll need to disconnect all the connector you see here. One thing to be cautious about is the antenna. You will need to open up the main board enclosure to safely disconnect it. To open this cover, we'll need to take off 5 screws. Here we have the main motherboard, which also include an integrated power supply. The board features Bluetooth 5.3 jumbo bass technology for extra boost, popping functions so you can charge your devices, and a signature EQ setting for you to adjust the way the speakers sound. The integrated power board also pushes out 80 watts of power with a 30 watts fast charging. And here we have the empty enclosure of the Earfun Uboom X. The top contains the control button for the power, Bluetooth, volume, lights, and pairing. I will not remove it as there's not much to see here. Besides that, this is the complete teardown of the Earfun Uboom X. I have a list of speakers to tear down and show you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video.